Fly video doorbell with newest packaging design from 2019. Remove the back plate of the video doorbell. Remove the small plastic piece of the batteries. Install the back plate into the video doorbell. The red light will flash after search the TASI Wi-Fi. Plug the chime plug in to power. The chime will be in pairing mode for several seconds. After that, long press the volume control button till the chime makes a ding-ding sound. Pairing succeed. Press the visit key, then the chime will ring. Download the TASI app and open it on your phone. Click Add Device. Click the button below to enter the Wi-Fi settings interface and choose the TASI Wi-Fi and back to app. Input your Wi-Fi password and start Wi-Fi configuration. Set the administrator password. Please rename the device after Wi-Fi connects successfully. Press the screen below, then you will watch the real-time video. The video doorbell will immediately send notifications to the phone when someone presses the video doorbell or hovers at the door.